Good morning. This is it. The last day of harvest. Quick glimpse at the shop as I'm walking by. Roof tin's going on, almost done. Looks good. We'll get this all sealed up here pretty soon. Let's go unload some trucks. It's cold in the mornings, +5, but it's supposed to warm up. Probably like 26, 27 for these next couple days, which will be nice. We have 2 fields left, one over here and one just over here. Number 1 green's over there. Been kind of slacking on the golf course maintenance, been too busy. And then hole 2's over there. Won't be able to see it. And then hole 3 is right over there. You got to shoot from this grass over the crop, and the green's over there. About 220 yards, so it's a tough par 3. Catching up to the harvest crew. Taylor's in the grain cart, and my dad is up there. That cut grass is part of hole 2. This is oh yeah, this is the tee box here, right there, and then the green's back there. So yeah, it's coming along. You got a new field going?
And down 23.
Combines are rolling just after 11 a.m. So we have about 250 acres left. So should be done tonight. If all goes well, should be done tonight. There's some rocks on this field, but I should be over top of all of them. This header's really nice. Like I've said before, cutting in flex off the ground for sharp hills like this really does a nice job of cutting. Our canola average is probably 5 bushels more than we expected, maybe that 35 to 40 range, which is good. 37 here. Track 1 is live, track 1. That cloud over there could go somewhere else. We've been having little showers, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. Just kind of clouds going over like you get in the fall. 1 more week, let the guys finish up, and then the fall rains can start. And I'm full. It's actually so windy that it's blowing the canola right out of my hopper. Maybe it's just spilling over. You can see the header flex over these hills. Right there. The indicator is actually that guy, I think. I actually like the indicator better on the FD1 when it had the smiley face and the frown face, kind of the arm. So I just watch that, see what the header's doing. Sprinkles are starting. I think that cloud pretty much left us. I think we're gonna be okay. It's just it'll blow over. It'll blow over, I guess. We got more sprinkles now. Just having my lunch. Grandpa's ready to combine. This truck's full. Tricky doing the tarp though, because of the wind. So maybe we won't tarp it on the way home. Only a mile away, 3/4 of a mile actually. It always seems like the chaff is blowing towards the tractor, so I'm hiding in here. It's nasty out. Not too many bins left, running out of room. good right here. Good right here. I think the rest of that field will fit in the Super Beast, so I'm bringing these back. Guys are hard at it. Putting up trim for the overhead doors. Those are going in maybe this weekend. So those are next. And then after that, start getting the floor prepped for the in-floor heat. Getting that foam down and the PEX laid. I gotta stop behind the shed to open the tarps. This field's kind of a maze too. Did all the good passes already, straight going this way. And then a little bit's good going this way, and then in the middle there, it's kind of back and forth and twisting and turning in trees and kochia. That's where they are now, so it's nice in the truck. You don't have to do all that. We are losing canola. You can hear it hit the windows of the tractor. Last field is just half a mile north of the farm there. This will fill this bin, have to switch the auger, and then move some trucks up there for him. Another guy getting full, climbing bins, slight breeze. It's nice. I have to move the auger 3 times yet, including this one. So this one and 2 more times. Soupy's gonna fill that bin. That field will fill that bin. It's nice when you're just in the big Darmanis. You don't have to fill, or you don't have to move the auger every 3 loads. But, almost done. This is the right bin, right? Yes. Last field here. Parked behind the bush, protected from the wind. Crazy wind today. Last truck to unload tonight. Take this truck back and the rest will fit on the 3 trucks. Yeah, there is not a lot left at all. I thought we were going to be here till maybe 10, 11 o'clock. Was my early assumption this morning. Going to be a new record. September 14th today. I'm back in the saddle. I got a code pop up. Oh yeah, spreader system. The spreaders at the back, the shrouds get built up with chaff. That hasn't popped up for a long time. It'll be okay. The last load. You can see the fence. Well, no, you can't really see the fence. 3 passes there. This is it. This is all that's left. I'll let him have the honors. It's over.
Now what?
Build a shop.
Back to school. Go to bed.
Go to bed. Yeah.